Yeah, peeps, today we're in a place called Mount Lebanos, and I'm actually in search of a young man who was in one of my past videos who said that he did not have the specific tools for school, because you know it's school from home, it's school online, and he did not have a laptop, and he was saying that he's not sure how he's gonna pass his exams because he does not have a laptop. So today I look for him. We have a brand new laptop for him and we're gonna surprise him. This is gonna be his Christmas gift. Alright peeps, so now follow me.
Alright, the problem with me have right now, them say we do a survey here. I know I'm not see which part. The survey benefit towards we when I have internet access. We have to put up data every day because the data we have to put up on my phone to do my school. Because and more, that now help because more while I hold it for class minutes. No,
yeah,
I hold it for assignment. We are get because I do CXC, you know, and I don't see which part. If they don't back school, I know if they are facts and I don't go pass.
Pick up the general here.
Blessings man.
Respect man.
Respect man.
Yes.
Blessings.
We have to pick up the iPhone, the video them we watch for us, you know what I mean?
Oh, you see the video them? When they're abroad?
Yeah man, we watch
okay.
all of them, like, yeah.
Okay, so watch them out here, watch them abroad?
Abroad,
Alright.
Yeah. Yes.
One question I want to ask you though,
yes.
Being a resident of the Mount Lebanos community,
yes.
What kind of changes you that want to see in the community, or what kind of change you see where you don't like?
Well, the youth them now really get themselves ready for problem because problem are coming up. And them now plant the food, them now try a thing, you know what I mean?
True.
And a pure bush you see, you know, vegetarian. Man, you know what I mean? Man, them now growing up, you know what I mean?
True.
That's how we would like to see the youth them do because problem are come rasta worldwide. And food have a bit of thing, you know what I mean?
For real, that's
so
true. Because right now the world in a food shortage.
Alright, and when me the plan right now plant food, you know what I mean? So
okay.
You know what I mean?
So what you plant?
Planting, banana and me fling it everything. I want to make it look more permanent. So we can spend longer time to do the other small things, pepper and things, get them things started, you know what I mean?
Okay. Hopefully after the video, the proper people must see and you will get longer time.
Yes.
But I notice another trend in St Thomas, all about in St Thomas. Persons on the plant, banana, planting and gungo peas.
You're right. Well, the only reason why me do that because I don't really live here officially yet.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So a long crop when you go away, you can come back and catch it.
See.
Okay, I understand.
But when I come spend more time, then I plant the little things them way, you know what I mean?
Okay,
where we can garden, you can go in your pot, you know what I mean?
True.
So, yeah man.
We in the community where I look for a little young juvenile in one of my recent videos. Him say him not have no laptop and him not know how him go pass him exam them because him not have a laptop and him family can't provide it. So I have a brand new laptop for him. Me say him live at Duckworth, so him will look for. I don't really know exactly how.
Alright, you'll find him.
Alright, so
me don't carry two rugged two look use right just up a shaman and up
because we have to do that. And them are the future.
Aye.
And blessings in man.
Thank
you. You have nobody where you want to big up?
Everyone, international, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Yes.
Blessings.
I feel big up, because you watch the flex.
Alright,
cool.
Blessings.
Yes.
Bless. Yeah, peeps. Want to say welcome to our new member to the Elite Jamaica family. This is Trevor. Trevor, say hi to the people.
Yeah, man. I told him, man. Big up on yourself, man. Yeah,
For real.
man.
So, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Siren,
Yo.
how you deal with?
Yeah, man. You don't know, you know?
Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah,
We are looking for a little juvenile up in a Duckworth where we want to give him a laptop. I'll show him a picture after I finish. Because I use the phone.
Okay.
Yeah. Him say him not have no laptop. I don't know him will pass him exam. Them kind of have the thing them for use to school.
Yes,
And
that's interesting.
so we have a brand new laptop for him. So we'll surprise him tomorrow at Christmas. That time Christmas gift. Is it? Yeah, man. So we're there in a month.
Yes, man. Bless up, man.
Alright. Yeah guys, so as you know, this is the community that Elite Jamaica started to vlog in. As you know, we make video from 2016, but then we start vlog in St Thomas. And this is where we actually got the most support. So it's a time to give back. It's actually Christmas time. And I guess you guys watching this video as it upload, we now watch it on Christmas Day. So this is actually a Christmas gift to you guys. Alright, we've been getting donations, we've been getting all of that on behalf of Nick and the friends of Elite Jamaica. Really have to say a special thank you for the laptops. Alright? Yeah. So we are going to search of the youth and see if we find him. We're going to find him still. Yeah, peeps, so you know I always give you guys a house tour of where I grew up, and right now the place looks one way. I really think I will come back home. Even if I not rent it out, I think I will come like live here for about like 6 months and fix up the place and make it decent, because you can't stay like this. You know, I fixed up and do something. I'm sure you guys know. This is where I grew up now. This is my grandmother and grandfather. Yes, so the grandmother, when I'm afraid, at night time, this was my room, when I'm afraid. Usually I come home, grandmother and I lay down on the ground, I'm afraid to go in my room. And that's was my room. But when it rent out, turn in the kitchen. You can't look in the film. When it rent out, you turn in the kitchen, the person rent the curtain in the kitchen. You now fix it up, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, this can be a very nice house, man. And here what I want. Let me show you something. What try this way? You see, guys, all of this, even though they're so close to the river, all of this is on a rock. So it can't wash away. You understand? I always afraid that the river will take it to one of them things, but I don't think that will go happen because it's on a rock. Alright, so I just have to fix stuff and do my thing. Yeah man, that's not going to do. Follow me. Let's see, that's the river down there. Beautiful. So, peeps, you know, it's Christmas time. And I know the young man I'm going to really be surprised. You know, so I can't wait. I'll go look for you. Yeah, peeps, so we're on the way now. We'll leave out and we'll go to one place named Duckworth. Alright? Yeah, man, and follow me.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will...
Very steep.
Yeah, peeps, so I have to come back up and go up hard. Watch me, I come back here. Yeah.
that hill is so very steep. Boy.
Peeps, we make it. We make it, peeps. We made it. And I know a little something about driving still, you know. Kinda know a little something about driving.
Yo. yeah, go on, man. yeah, go on.
Yeah, peeps, we are now in a place called New Monklands. And we are heading up to Duckworth. So I'll go over the hill there and we are reach Duckworth. Peeps, we are now entering the community of Duckworth. Yeah, peeps. We almost reached. Still have to try to find him yard because we don't know exactly where he lives. Suppose we reach a Duckworth and them son of Duckworth in the I have to try to find him. I have to find him.
See before I am meeting.
I'm going to see it before.
See.
No, I'm going to figure it out. So guys, if you look on the screen right now, this is the young man that we are going in search of. I'm going to show you a pic of this young man we're going in search of. Alright.
It's a mud road. Road. This road is a mud road.
check my phone now. Yeah, peeps, so we're in a place called Duckworth. I'm a think we're about to locate the young man. Gonna follow me. Morning, mommy. Are you at Javon, mother? What's Javon? He's on a moron being when I come back.
Oh, I don't know what time I'm coming back, you know.
See Javon now, I'm going to give it them. Yeah, I don't want to give it them. I must say like, come closer so you can come harder. I must say like, him now have the like, things needed for school, like laptop and everything there.
Yeah.
Because, you know, the kids them have the stuff that they don't come ahead. The ones that don't have none, they go to be more intelligent. I'll show you the video when we're done. Alright, so I wish Javon is there because I have a brand new laptop.
I'm just at the bus, you know.
Just at the bus.
Yeah, you're supposed to pass.
So I have to go leave it with you then.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, so I'll get it. Follow me.
So what is your name?
My name is Alex and you know me
Okay,
to
Alex.
Jamaica. Come closer so you can
Okay,
get an
I
audio.
think you treated very good at
Yeah.
that video. Okay,
So, where you live down there?
right there.
Come now because I have set up to you. Because I do nothing to set up. So, any movie?
My name is Tanisha.
Tanisha.
Yeah.
Come on, brother.
Yeah. And this is the one sister right here. Maybe I tell you that I leave my daughter in the home yet. You know?
No, I never really have.
Okay, that's wonderful.
It just, you must say that I just touch my heart. So.
Okay. I never get you don't have any internet here?
You don't need internet.
Okay, just need a okay.
Then when you get internet.
Alright. JT,
Hopefully we can get some assistance for you.
get a plug for me.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
No, Javon have no Wi-Fi, so hopefully we can get some assistance so we can get Wi-Fi. Alright?
Okay, the gentleman.
You can see this? Alright, I can just use that.
Can't sit here, no.
Oh.
Oh. Better tie this one here. I need pass that to me to tie this.
You have electricity though?
Yeah, I have electricity.
You have an extension?
I'm coming with the extension. JT?
This is a brand new laptop on behalf of Nick and friends of Elite Jamaica present to Javon.
Javon Francis.
Javon Francis.
Yeah.
Alright, so Javon, big up yourself when you see the video. You know. I better know you're not there because I wish you the day here, but
I'm sorry I'm
I'm gonna
gone.
leave with your
Trust
mom
me.
though. Alright?
I'm gone too quick, man.
I'm from St. Thomas, Mom.
From St.
Thomas, man.
They are giving Javon Francis a laptop because he doesn't have one.
Now guys, this is a brand new Chromebook. It's a HP Chromebook.
Which one of them?
Alright. The best laptop for school. Right, so Javon can't be behind again.
Behind the dance. Take a bit in there.
I think plastic up on the screen so you can tear it off and everything.
When I'm coming, we do all of that. I'm sorry, I'm never there.
Alright, so him have to go get Wi-Fi to set it up. Him can set it up. I think Javan intelligent enough to set up the laptop because it seems as if it already set up, it just need Wi-Fi to connect and then do the follow through. Alright. So yeah. Turn it off. Alright, I think it can turn off once you shut down the screen. You can sleep and then shut off.
Okay.
So wrap up about this. This is the charger that the adapter. Don't damage him.
No, I won't. Okay.
And we always say this, and no disrespect, but normally when we give kids stuff like that, parents actually take it for themselves. It's for the student, it's for the child.
Not this parents.
Alright, just putting it out there for everyone else to know. Alright? No, you're not going to look like that.
No.
But just wish Javan there here still.
Yeah.
But tell you say we stop by.
Alright.
Hopefully we can come back when I turn on. So, no?
Alright. I love music too, you know.
Yeah, you tell me say I love music. All of that's not a video, I'll show you the video. If the internet come up here?
No, you know.
You not pick up here? Okay, you have to have Wi-Fi.
I have to have Wi-Fi, but most of the time.
Yeah.
You know, I can't take no picture of this clothes. No picture of
You take
this
picture naturally, no? Just as you are. Just as
okay,
you are.
no problem because from morning I've been working.
You know, you're not dressed up for me, yeah?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, nice meeting you, alright?
Yes, okay.
And take care.
Yes,
Alright.
thanks a lot.
And blessings again.
Thank you very much.
Javan, big up himself.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright.
So you take care now.
So babes, that was the first giveaway. We're on the way to the next. Gonna follow me. Blessings guys, and thanks for watching again. And if y'all are interested in this type of video and y'all want to donate to the cause, do so by contacting me at the number provided in the description below. Thank you again. Bless.